Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to TCL 205. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. I already did that on TCL because it was taking forever to download, so I can open it right away. And from this screen here, select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Nokia. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select receive on TCL and send on Nokia smartphone. Now tap on all of those type of dots and select send. This way you will select all of them and then transfer them later on. It will take a long time to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose send and tap on got it. Now on TCL, choose no thanks and close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then tap on receive button. But we can also scan this QR code. If you wish to do that, click on this scanning icon on TCL, just while using the app or only this time, and point your camera at the code. Now, as you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!